Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga home learning partners, learners, and fellow teachers. Welcome to our Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of mathematics clay learning modules. Ako po si Teacher Leovee from Pedro P. Cruz Elementary School, Quarter 1, Grade 4 Mathematics. For week 1, may 3 lessons tayo. Ang una, visualizing numbers up to 100,000. Pangalawa, place value in a value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. At ang pangatlo, reading and writing numbers in symbols and in words and compare using relation symbols. Sa first lesson natin, visualizing numbers up to 100,000. Haalamin muna natin ngayon ang ating objective for this lesson. Visualize numbers up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers 10,001 to 100,000. At bago natin simulan ang ating main lesson, let's have a review first. Balikan natin yung nakaraan yung lesson. So skip counting tayo. 25,000, 30,000. Ano kaya ang kasunod ng 30,000? And the answer is 35,000. Very good. Kasunod ng 35,000? The answer is 40,000. And then 45,000. Ang galing-galing. Number 2. Meron tayong dalawang pencil. 2,000. Sa next box. 4,000. Ano kayang kasunod ng 4,000 sa skip counting? At ang sagot ay 6,000 and then 8,000. Sa unang block, 15,000. Sa pangalawa, 20,000. And then sa pangatlo, 25,000. Ano kaya ang pang-apat? At ang sagot ay 30,000. Very good. At ang panglima, 35,000. At ang huli ay 40,000. 50,000 in words. And then blank. Then 150,000. Ano kaya ang nasa gitna? At ang sagot kasunod ng 50,000. At ang sagot ay 100,000. For number 5, 75,000. Kasunod, 77,000, blank, and then 81,000. The answer is 79,000. Ang galing-galing. So let us study now our lesson. Babasahin natin. A total of 34,562 teachers and learners joined the COVID-19 trackers campaign by the government. How will you show 34,562? Paano kaya natin yun ipapakita o illustrate? We can use number disc sa ganitong paraan, maka-visualize or maipapakita at maisalarawan natin ang 34,562 gamit ang number discs. Okay, sa number disc, sa una, meron tayong 1, yung nasa kanan ninyo. Susunod ang 1, tens, and then 100, and then 1,000, and then 10,000. Ito yung mga number disc. So, nilagay ko sa chart para madali nating makita at ma-visualize. So, 34,562. Ilang 10,000 kayang number disc meron ang 34,562? So, 1, 2, 3. Ilang number disc? 3. Kasi 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 equals 30,000. Next, punta tayo sa 1,000. Ilang 1,000 meron sa 4,000? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, mayroong 4 na tigwa 1,000. So, 100 naman. Ilan kaya number disc merong 100,000 sa 500 dito sa 500? So, let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ilang number dis na may 100? 5. Okay. Next, ilang tens kayang number dis meron ang 60? Saan ang 60? Dito sa 62, 60 lang ang kailangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ilang number dis? 6 or 6. And then, sa ones, ilang number dis ang kailangan natin? 1, 2. So, merong 2 number dis. So, there are 3 10,000s kasi 3 yung 10,000. And then, sa 1,000 naman, may 4 1,000s. And then, 5 100s. And then, 6 tens. Then, 2. Another example, 54,673. Kagaya pa rin kanina, magsisimula tayo sa kaliwa mula sa 50,000. Ilang 10,000 meron sa 50,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 10,000s. Next, sa 1,000s, ilang 1,000s meron ang 4,000s? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ilan? There are 4 1,000s. So for the number dis for 100s, how many 100s are there in 600? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 100s. And then tens. How many tens are there in 70? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 tens. And then for the last one, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 ones. So let us practice. Ready? Get set? Go. So 34,108. How many 10,000s for 30,000? Yes, there are 3. How about 1,000s? 4. How about 100? Only 1. Then tens? None, kasi 0. And then for ones, there are 8 ones. Next, number 2. 46,275. How many 10,000s number dis? 4. Very good. How about 1,000s? So, tingnan lang yung pangalawa. Kasunod ng 4, ilang number dis? Tingin mo sa 6,000. Merong 6. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about 275 sa pangatlo? Ilang 100s? There are 2 100 number disc. Sa tens, how many tens are there in 70? So there are 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one, how many ones are there? There are. Sa next example naman natin, bibilangin mo naman ngayon kung ilang number disc meron sa bawat hanay. So sa 10,000s, ilang number disc mayroon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So mayroong 5 number disc. Walang laman ang 1,000, so that is 0. Sa 100 naman, mayroong 3 number disc. Sa tens, there are 2 tens. And sa ones, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 ones. So the total is, next one, ganun pa rin. Count kung ilang 10,000 number disc mayroon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 10,000s. So 1,000, there are 2 1,000s. In 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 hundreds. And then sa 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 tens. For ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 ones. So let us always remember To visualize numbers from 10,001 to 100,000, we use blocks, flats, longs, units, or number discs such as 10,000s, 1,000s, 100s, tens, and ones. So, to illustrate, one number disc to illustrates the number 1. 10 number disc to illustrates the number 10. Then 100 number disc to illustrates the number 100. 1,000 number disc to illustrates the number 1,000. And 10,000 number disc to illustrates the number 10,000. Alright, children and home learning partners, proceed tayo ngayon sa pangalawang lesson natin sa week 1. Place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. Bago natin ipagpapatuloy, alamin muna natin ang objective for this lesson. The objective is give the place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. Alright, children and home learning partners, proceed tayo ngayon sa pangalawang lesson natin sa week 1. Place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. Bago natin ipagpapatuloy, alamin muna natin ang objective for this lesson. The objective is give the place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. Now, review. So, number 1 question, what is the total number as represented in the number disc below? So, let us count kung ilang 10,000s, ilang 1,000s, ilang 100, ilang tens, at ilang ones. Okay? So, the answer is 43,646. Ang galing-galing number. What number is illustrated by the number blocks? So, bilang ulit kung ilang 10,000s, ilang 1,000s, ilang 100s, ilang tens, tsaka ones. At ang sagot ay 62,562. Very good. Number 3. What number is represented by the blocks below? So, count 10,000s, dalawa. Sa 1,000s, may 4. Sa 100, may 3. Sa tens, may 4. And then sa ones, may 5. So, ang total number represented is 24,345. Number 4. Erin and Ian used 7 pieces of 10,000 blocks, 5 pieces of 1,000 blocks, 9 pieces of 100 blocks, 8 pieces of 10 blocks, and 2 pieces of 1 blocks. So what is the total number of blocks Erin and Ian used? So count lang. Then the answer is 75,982. Number 5. Alright. For number 5, Aaron used 8 pieces of 10,000s disc, 6 pieces of 1,000s disc, 2 pieces of 100s disc, 9 pieces of 10s disc, and 4 pieces of 1s disc. What is the total number of discs Aaron used? The answer is 86,294. So let us proceed with our main lesson. Mandaluyong local government distributed 187,253 face shield and mask to all frontliners. What does each digit in 187,253 mean? So, aalamin natin ngayon kung ano ang place value niya. Gagamitin natin ang place value chart to show how 187,253 is written. Sa tulong ng place value chart, malalaman natin ang place value ng bawat digit. Sa given numbers kanina, 187,253 frontliners received the face mask and face shield provided by the Mandaluyong local government. So, lagi nating tandaan na ang numbers or digits na nasa kanan, siyang merong pinakamababang place value at ang nasa kaliwa ang highest place value. Ulitin ko, the smallest place value ang nasa kanan at ang nasa kaliwang digit, yun ang highest place value. Sa case natin, 3 ang nasa kanan, so si 3 ay mapupunta sa ones place value kasi siyang nasa kanan. So ano kayang digit ang tens place value? So 5 kasi yun ang kasunod. Ano ang digit na nasa hundreds place value? 2. How about thousands place value? 7. 10,000s is 8 and then the 100,000s is 1. So, malaking bagay kung meron kang place value chart. Kung sanay ka nang gumamit, ayaw mo na mag-value chart, you can use arrow. So, ganun pa rin, magsisimula ka lagi sa kanan. So, 3 is your ones, 5 is your tens place value, 2 hundreds place value, 7 thousands place value, 8 10,000s, and then 1 is in 100,000s place value. Sa tulong ng place value chart, sa ganitong case, aalamin naman natin ngayon ang value o ang halaga. Okay? So, the same given, 3 ay nasa ones, so the digit 3 is in ones place value. Its value is 3. So, ano daw ang halaga ni 3? So, 3 times 1, so the answer is 3. Yun yung value niya. So, next is in 5 tens. So, the digit 5 is in the tens place. So, its value is 50. So, 5 times 10 is 50. Next, the digit 2 is in the hundreds place. Nasa hundreds siya. So, its value is 200. 7, the digit 7 is in the thousands place. Its value is 7,000. The digit 8 is in 10,000s place. Its value is 80,000. And then, the digit 1 is in the hundreds thousands place. Its value is 100,000. So, let us practice. Ready, set, go. In 83,529, what digit is in ones place value? Lagi kayong magbilang sa simulan ninyo sa kanan. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So, ang hinahanap natin ay ang place value ay ang digit kung anong digit ang nasa ones place value. So, the answer is 9. Very good. Next number, next question. What digit is in the 10,000s place value of 83,529? Ano daw ang digit na nasa 10,000s place? Count tayo ulit mula sa kanan. So, simulan natin sa 9 kasi yun ang nasa kanan. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So, ang hinahanap natin na place value ay 10,000. So, ano daw ang digit ang sagot? So, the answer is 8. Very good. Next one. What is the place value of 2 in 83,529? Hanapin natin ngayon si 2. Tinatanong niya kung ano ang place value naman. So, ganun pa rin, magsimula ka sa kanan. Ones, tens. So, ano ang place value ni 2? Siya ay nasa tens. Good job. Next one. What is the value of 8 in 83,529? Take note, value, halaga. Iba yung place value at iba rin na yung value, yung halaga. So, ganun pa rin, magbibilang ka pa rin ng place value para malaman mo rin yung value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, si 8 ay nasa 10,000 place value. So, the value of 8 is 80,000. Okay? Next one. In 83,529, what is the value of the underlined digit? So, ang tinatanong niya, ano daw halaga nung naka-underline, yung may salungguhit na digit? So, ang may salungguhit na digit naka-underline is 5. So, alamin natin ang place value para malaman natin ang value. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, si 5 ay nasa hundreds place value. Therefore, the value of 5 is 500. Good job. What is the value of the underlined digit? 83,529. So, ang naka-underline natin ay 3. Ano daw ang value? Halaga. So, again, let's have the place value mula sa kanan. Ones, simulan kay 9, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, 3 ay sa nasa thousands place value. Therefore, the value of 3 is 3,000. Good job, children. For our next problem, there are 97,632 people supported the project iConnect para sa kinabukasan that aims to buy tablets for selected learners of the Korea Philippines Teachers Education Program. Give the place value and value of each digit. So, ito ang ating digits. 97632 from 97,632. Let us always start sa kanan. So, 2 is the smallest place value. So, sa baba tayo magsimula. Ano daw ang place value ni 2? Kasi sabi dito sa problem, give the place value and value of each digit. So, place value muna nito, ones. Siyang nasa kanan. So, ang place value nito ay ones. At ang value, since 2 is in ones place value, so the value of 2 is 2. Diba? Kasi 2 times 1. Kasunod nito ay 3. So, the place value of 3 is tens. At ang value ni 3 ay 30. Very good. Next, kasunod ni 3 no mula sa kanan ay 6. So, bilang ka rin ones, tens, kasunod ng tens. So, ang place value ni 6 ay hundreds. Therefore, the value of 6 is 600. Ang galing. Next one, katabi ni 6 ay 7. So, hundreds, anong kasunod ng hundreds? Para malaman natin ang place value. Thousands. So, 7 is in the thousands place at ang value ni 7 ay 7,000. Last digit, 9. Ano ang place value ni 9? Ito ay 10,000s. At ang value ni 9 kung nasa 10,000s place value ay 90,000. Very good, children. So, let us always remember, lagi natin tandaan, to identify the place value, para daw malaman natin ang place value, in which the digit belongs to as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, at lagi kang magsisimula sa kanang bahagi. The value of a digit could be arrived at by multiplying said digit by its place value. Gaya na natin ginawa kanina, minultiply natin yung digit sa place value para malaman mo yung value. The place value of a digit is always 10 times as great as the value of the digit to its right. So, 10 times siyang higher. Mula sa ones times 10, kaya tens. Tapos 10 times 10, hundreds, and so on. I-multiply mo lang ng tens. At ang ating pangatlong lesson para sa unang linggo, reading and writing numbers in symbols and in words, and compare using relation symbols. At ating aalamin naman ang objective sa lesson na ito. Ang objective, read and write numbers in symbols and in words up to 100,000 and compare them using relation symbols. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating lesson, mag-review muna tayo sa nakaraang lesson, yung lesson number 2. So, review number 1. In the number 176,489, which digit is in the 10,000s place? So, 10,000s ang hinahanap na place value. Kagaya pa rin dati, nagsisimula tayo sa kanan. So, kay 9 tayo magbibilang ng ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, 10,000s lang na place value ang hinahanap natin. So, ano ang digit na nasa 10,000s? Ito ay ang digit na 7. Very good. Okay, next number. Number 2. Name the place value of 5 in 79,541. So, yung digit na 5, ang hahanapin natin kung ano ang place value. Again, magsisimula tayo sa kanan ulit kay 1. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, ano ang place value ni 5? Hundreds. Good job. Next number. What digit is in the hundreds place value in 917,854? So, ang hinahanap nating place value ay 100,000s. So, again, magsisimula ulit sa kanan kay 4, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So, ano ang nasa 100,000s? Anong digit? Digit 9. Good job. So, 9 ang nasa 100,000s. Next number. Number 4. In the number 73,916, what is the value of 3? This time, value ang hinahanap natin. So, value daw ni 3, pero aalamin pa rin natin ang place value ni 3 para malaman natin yung value niya. Again, simula sa kanan sa pinakamababang place value. Mula kay 6, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, ano ang place value ni 3? Thousands. So, dahil nasa thousands place value, therefore, ang value ni 3 ay 3,000. Kasi multiply mo lang si 3 sa place value niya na thousands. So, 3 times thousands equals 3,000. So, let us check on 3,000 nga ba ang sagot? Yes, the value is 3,000. Last number, number 5 for our review. What is the value of 5 in 52,267? Value again ang hinahanap. Still, hahanapin natin ang place value mula sa kanan sa pinamakababang place value which is 7, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, ang place value ni 5 ay nasa 10,000. Therefore, ang value ni 5 ay 50,000. Very good. Okay, let us study now with the problem for our lesson. The Department of Agriculture or DA donated 87,935 seedlings to the farmers who were affected with the COVID-19 pandemic. How did you read and write the number 87,935 in words and in symbols? So, alamin daw natin, paano daw natin babasahin at isusulat ang number na 87,935 in words at saka symbols. So, let us study the given number. How did you read and write the number 87,935 in words and symbols? So, take note, si 87 ay nasa period na thousands and then 935 ay nasa units na period. So, the number 87,935 is read as kung word name. So, ito yung word name. 87,000, may kama, 935. So, yan ang word name. Kasi in words. Pag symbols naman, isusulat mo lang yung number or yung figures. 87,935. Okay. So, another examples. It is read as 55,645. That is the word name. 55,645. Another one, 18,006. Ganun ang pagsulat ng word name. Hindi mo na isusulat yung 0. 18,006. So, yun lang yung may symbols. Yun ang isusulat mong word name. Next, 100,000. Ganun lang ang pagsulat sa word name. 100,000. You don't need to write yung maraming zero sa word name. 100,000. So, the steps to compare two numbers naman. After writing and reading the word name and symbols, let us now to compare two numbers. So there are steps. Step 1, line up the line numbers according to place value. Kung natandaan nyo yung place value sa lesson 2 natin, pagpapantayin, papipilahin mo daw yung numbers according sa place value. So, ang place value, dapat magpantay yung nasa kanan na ones. Sunod-sunod na 10. So, ito ang example yan. So, start here. So, example natin ay 87,935. At ang pangalawa, 87,395. So, nag-compare tayo ng dalawang numbers. Sabi din, steps to compare two numbers. So, 87,935, then 87,395. Nakapila, di ba? Pantay, pantay. Yun ang step 1, pagpantayin. Ang step 2, compare the numbers in each place value starting with the highest place value. Tandaan, ang smallest place value ay nasa kanan at ang highest place value ay nasa kaliwa. So, ano ang number na nasa kaliwa? Kasi yun ang highest. The first highest place value is 8. Yan, kasi highest, diba, nasa kaliwa, ang nasa kanan ang smallest. So, pantay ba ang 8? Yes, pantay siya. So, the second highest place value ay 7. Punta ka sa kasunod yung katabi. Kaliwa pa rin. So, ang highest place, next place value is 7. Equal pa rin sila. So, walang may lamang. So, step 3 tayo. Kasunod na digit. So, the third highest place value is 9 and 3. So, yun yung numbers na kasunod na highest place value. O yun, numbers. So, 9. Sa first number is 9 and the second is 3. Hindi na sila equal. We can compare now. Proceed tayo sa next step. Yan. So, the third step is 9 is greater than 3. Si 9 ba ay mas malaki kay 3? Yes or no? The answer is yes, mas malaki si 9. Therefore, 87,935 is greater than 87,395. Dahil mas malaki si 9 kaysa 3, therefore, si 87,935 mas malaki, greater than 87,395. So, you can use daw na symbols to show the relationship between the two numbers. So, ano yung mga symbols? Yung sa 87,935 is greater than 87,395. Yan yung symbol na gagamitin natin. So, practice tayo. Ready, set, go. Okay, word name muna tayo. Sabi sa directions, match the standard form to the letter of the word, of the correct word name. Then, write the word that you can form inside the box sa puzzle. So, number 1, down. Pababa daw. Hanapin natin yung 1. Ito yung 1. 18,512. Isusulat natin yung symbol, yung standard form. So, 18,512. Ganyan lang, pababa. Then, number 2. Nasaan ang number 2? Ito. Yan, number 2. Across. Yan, pahalang, across. 32,124. So, 32,124. Yan. Then, next, number 3. Ang 3 ay pahalang din, across. 91,075. 91,075. Take note. Sinulat pa rin natin yung 0 pala. Walang laman yun. Walang value. 91,075. Next, 4. 48,375. Down daw. Down. Ito yung 4. 48,375. Okay? Number 5. 93,345. Another across. 93,345. Number 6, across again. 34,754. 34,754. And then number 7, down. Ito ang 7. Pa-down ng 6. 43,275. Okay? And then number 8, another down. Nandito sa itaas. 86,135. Okay? The number 9, across, pahalang. 27,828. Okay, and last number 10, pababa or down, 84,300. Alright. Okay? Sana tama din ang sagot ninyo ngayon habang ginagawa nyo yung puzzle. Alright, children. Let us try to answer now another exercises. Match the standard form to the letter of the correct word name. Write the word that you form inside the box. So, meron tayong buuin na riddles. So, ito yung number na inside the box. Number 1, 54,762. Ito yung standard form. Imamatch natin sa word name. And then, the answer is letter H, 54,762. So, H ang unang mong letter para makabuo ka ng word. Number 2, 60,819. So, nasa letter O. Next, number 3, 58,237. Hanapin ang word name ng 58,237. Nasa letter N. So, H, O, N. Yun ang pagkakasunod natin sa word para mabuo natin. Number 4, 27,509. So, nasa anong letra? Letter E, 27,509. Number 5, 78,620. Ito ay nasa letter S. Okay. And then the last one is 82,376. Ito ay nasa letter T. Ano kaya ang nabuo nating word? So, be honest in doing the activities. So, the word is honest. So, lahat ba honest sa pagsasagot natin sa ating mga learning materials, sa ating learning activity sheets, sa ating clade? Okay, very good. Ang galing-galing ng mga bata. So, another exercises. Let's go shopping. So, bawal muna mag-shopping face-to-face. Let's go shopping online. Read the questions below. Compare the prices and write in the box whether less than, look at the symbols, greater than, or equal to. So, number 1, you compare rubber shoes with notebooks. The answer is, so rubber shoes is 12,899 and the rubber shoes, the notebook is 420. So, rubber shoes is greater than. Number 2, smartphone is less than laptop because smartphone is only 18,395. Your laptop is 24,595. So, less than. Number 3, notebooks is less than with your school bag. So, your school bag is 8,290 and your notebooks is only 420. The number 4, laptop is greater than your rubber shoes. The number 5, water tumbler is equal with your notebook. Equal kasi pareho silang 420. Okay. Lagi nating tandaan. To read numbers, read the digits in the first period at the left. Say the period where the digits are. Then say only the digits in the units period. To write numbers from 10,001 to 100,000, the digits are separated by a comma or space in groups of 3 called periods starting from the right. Okay, so sa pagbabasa, magsimula ka sa left, kaliwa. Sa groupings naman, magsisimula ka sa kanan. Pagsama-samahin mo ng 3, kaya magbibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, space or comma. Lalagyan natin, pagsamahin. Pero yung nasa left, huwag na natin ipilit kung hanggang 2 or 1 lang. Basta ang nagsimula ka sa kanan, 3 digit ang magkakasama. Separated by comma or space. Okay, lagi nating tandaan yan. To compare numbers, compare the highest place value. Diba? Sinabi natin kanina, nagsimula tayo sa kaliwa. Umpisahan sa highest place value. If the numbers are equal, kung magkapareho daw, go to the next value to determine the greater or lesser. Use symbols greater than, less than, or equal Okay, yan ang symbol niya. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. If you have questions, you can message our official Facebook page, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong, or you can ask your math teachers. Ako po si Teacher Leovee na nagsasabi na masayang mag-aral at tayo nang magtuto. Maraming salamat po muli at laging mag-ingat.